Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Great Rod of Oscar in Fish. First, you're going to head to Forsaken Shores and you're going to talk to the guy. I don't remember his name. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst boat driver ever. And I don't know why I use this one. I think it's because it's the fastest. You're just going to go here. I'm just going to park my boat there and you're going to go up these stairs. Okay, now you're going to go to the Grand Reef to find the amulet, and once you have found the amulet, you'll bring it back to him. So let's just go back here. Okay, once you've reached Grand Reef, you're just going to go on the main island, and the amulet is here, so take it, and you're just going to go back. Okay, so go back to Forsaken Island and you're going to get back to the dead man. That's what it's called. So bring the amulet to the dead man Joe to get more information. Okay. So I'm just going to pick it up here and then talk. And then is this deep sea amulet? Then from this rock from Forsaken Shores, it's this one here. It's a little bit hard to see. You're just going to go like this way. It's like in between Ancient Isle and Northern Expedition. Well, I guess here. You're going to want to pass some rocks and then you'll be able to see one big rock. Hopefully I'm able to see it. If I'm being honest, it's not near any island. This is a little bit hard to distinguish. Oh, found it. So it's here. Oh my gosh. And make sure you have your diving gear equipped. I'm just going to go backwards a little bit. Advanced diving gear. And the scuba flipper. I don't remember what it's called. Super flippers. Then you're just going to put them on. Oops. And you're going to dive down. Where is it? There should be like a hole. I'm not seeing it yet. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's on the side. I'm so sorry. Once you have arrived here, there is like a green layer. So you're just going to select your amulet from your inventory and you're going to press on it again to block the decay. And you're just going to walk there and you'll be able to find the rod here. Ta-da! View and purchase. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.